Let me give you a quick short tutorial on how you can access latest Canva features of 2025. As you can see on your Canva dashboard, you will see this option of this Canva Create Uncharted. And here you will see these envelopes on both left and right side. You have to click on these envelopes one by one to access these latest features of Canva. Here you will also see this option of see what's coming. Then click on one by one on these envelopes and then a new window pop up. In your front here you will see this your person number to access this feature of Canva. Then click on let's go, and then a new short video of Canva's feature updates will be pop up on your screen. You can view all these features of Canva, and it's causing some problem. Here you can watch it on your screen. So basically you can see that after this video, this new totally changed Canva dashboard appears on your screen. You can see it's totally changed. So this is a very simplest tutorial on how you can access these features. For now, it's not available for some users. You can check it on your Canva. You can see the option of sheet, photo editor, multiple or other options are available in new features. If you found this helpful, do let me know in your comment. In the upcoming videos, I will share a detailed tutorial on how you can use these features and access them and how it can make your workflow easy and helpful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.